Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing all of my daily chores, so let's get started. So what I usually do first is I feed the ducks and the chickens. So we have and you can hear them, they're really loud. Ready? So I have fed my chickens and my ducks. Now we're gonna come over here and we are going to feed the turkeys. Okay, so we have 2 turkeys in here. I think they are both female. We also have 1 rooster and 3 really pretty hens so with the chickens, I don't know what kind they are. But anyways, they're really pretty. So, here. I don't think they like the camera. So those are the turkeys and then the rooster. And the other hens are back there. The hens are little scaredy cats. And then once I feed the chickens and the ducks and the turkeys, I will check the turkeys' water and they're good. And then I'm always left with a really dirty pool to clean every morning because of the ducks. And so I have to clean out all of that and all of that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, and so now with that filling up, we're just gonna wait till it fills up and then I'll get started on that. And then once those are done, I'll go ahead and top off the turkey and chicken's bucket. And that's all of the chores for this area. Now I have to get the eggs from her without getting pecked. Now I'm going to scoop some feed for the rest of the chickens. There we go. Okay, from the hen house slash brooder house to the other chickens I'm going to. That's how far away it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get over there. Okay guys, so these are my birthday presents, these chickens. So they are, most of them have started laying eggs, so I'm gonna have to move them over with the other ones soon. So this is where they are living now. I'll go ahead and give them the feed. They live in this portable chicken tractor that you can move every day to fresh grass. Then I also have them a waterer. So the bucket and then the hose. And they have a waterer inside, it's red. And then that's how they get their water. And that's how I move it. We can't forget about the cute little cats, of course, so let's go ahead and give them a scoop of food. There you go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.